Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting access. Sign in or create your Chatgpt account now using email, Google, or Apple sign-in. Once done, make sure your device is online with a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. A simple 10 Mbps speed test confirms basic functionality. Then enable two-factor authentication and store recovery codes in your password manager so you can regain access if needed. This establishes security and connectivity before you move to the integration and usage steps. Now choose how you'll interact: web app for quick use, mobile app for on the go, or API access for automation. If you pick the API, generate an API key, set usage or cost limits, and store that key in environment variables or a secrets manager. Make sure to select the right model and adjust conversation length or tokens to control cost and output. Also review privacy and data settings so responses and logs match your expectations before you start sending prompts. Finish by making a simple test prompt to verify the connection and confirm the model responds as expected. Once you get a response, monitor usage, error codes, and latency. Adjust tokens, retry logic or batching to optimize cost and speed. If something goes wrong, first check your API key validity, network connectivity, and rate limits. Clear browser cache or restart the app, and reissue the key if needed. That one troubleshooting tip, verify the key and limits, solves most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.